Bow windows are a stunning addition to any Glendale home, offering elegance, natural light, and increased curb appeal. However, to keep them looking their best and functioning effectively, regular maintenance and cleaning are essential. This guide provides practical tips for Glendale homeowners to maintain and clean their bow windows, ensuring they remain beautiful and durable for years to come. Why maintaining bow windows is important. Bow windows are designed to create a dramatic effect by curving outward, forming a rounded, panoramic view. However, this design can also make them more susceptible to dirt, wear, and weather-related damage. Proper maintenance extends their lifespan, preserves their aesthetic appeal, ensures energy efficiency, prevents costly repairs. Glendale's sunny climate can cause wear on window seals, while occasional rains may leave grime buildup on the frames and glass. Proactive care can address these challenges and keep your bow windows in top condition. Regular cleaning tips for bow windows. Cleaning bow windows requires attention to both the glass and frames to maintain their clarity and functionality. Gather the right supplies to clean your bow windows effectively. Gather a mild glass cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water, a soft microfiber cloth or squeegee, a soft bristle brush or toothbrush for the frames, a bucket of warm, soapy water. Use a gentle detergent, a ladder or extension pole for hard-to-reach areas, if applicable. Clean the glass. Step 1. Remove dust and debris using a dry microfiber cloth. Step 2. Spray a glass cleaner or vinegar solution onto the glass. Step 3. Wipe in a circular motion with a microfiber cloth or use a squeegee for a streak-free finish. Step 4. Dry the edges thoroughly to prevent water spots. For exterior glass, use a hose with a spray nozzle to rinse away dirt before applying the cleaner. Clean the frames and tracks. Bow window frames and tracks often collect dirt and grime, which can lead to operational issues over time. Step 1. Use the soapy water and a soft brush to scrub the frames gently. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the finish. Step 2. For tight spaces, such as tracks, use a toothbrush to remove trapped dirt. Step 3. Rinse with clean water and dry with a cloth to prevent mold growth. Maintenance best practices. In addition to cleaning, regular maintenance helps keep your bow windows functioning efficiently. Inspect for damage. Periodically check your bow windows for cracks or chips in the glass. Even small cracks can compromise energy efficiency and escalate into larger problems. Worn seals. Look for gaps or signs of wear around the edges, as this can affect insulation. Frame damage. Inspect for warping, rotting, or peeling paint on wooden frames. Repaint or refinish wooden frames. If your bow windows have wooden frames, they may need repainting or refinishing every few years to protect against weather damage. Use high-quality, weather-resistant paint for durability. Lubricate moving parts. tips for operable bow windows. Ensure smooth operation by lubricating the hinges, locks, and tracks with a silicone-based lubricant. Test weather stripping. Effective weather stripping is crucial for energy efficiency. Replace any damaged or worn weather stripping to prevent drafts and keep cooling costs down in Glendale's warm climate. Professional maintenance and repairs. While regular cleaning and inspections are tasks most homeowners can handle, some issues may require professional expertise. Hire a Glendale-based window specialist for complex repairs, such as replacing glass or realigning frames. Deep cleaning of hard-to-reach exterior areas. Annual inspections to ensure structural integrity. Tips for Glendale's climate. Glendale homeowners should consider the local climate when maintaining bow windows. Protect against sun damage. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause discoloration or warping. Use UV protective films or window treatments to minimize damage. Prepare for seasonal rains. Ensure seals are intact to prevent leaks during rainstorms. Conclusion. Bow windows are a beautiful and functional feature of many Glendale homes, but they require consistent care to stay in peak condition. By following these cleaning and maintenance tips, you can protect your investment and keep your bow windows shining. For more specialized needs, consider consulting a professional to handle repairs and deep cleaning. With the right care, your bow windows will continue to enhance your home for years to come.